Evolution is a fundamental concept in biology and a crucial aspect of understanding life on Earth. It's not just a theory about how species change over time. It's a comprehensive framework that explains the diversity of life, the interconnection of all organisms, and the adaptation of species to their environments. Level 1. Young child, age 5 to 7. Evolution is like a long, slow game of changing. Imagine animals and plants playing a game where they slowly change over a really long time, like years and years. These changes help them live better in their homes, like forests or seas. Like how some fish grew longer fins to swim faster, or how giraffes got long necks to eat leaves high up in trees. Level 2. Older child, age 8 to 11. Evolution is about animals and plants changing over a very long time to live better in their places, like jungles or oceans. These changes happen because the babies are a little different from their parents. For example, a bird might be born with slightly bigger wings, and if these wings help it fly better, it can find more food and stay safe. Then this bird can have babies with bigger wings too. Over a long time, this can make a whole family of birds with big wings. Level 3. Teenager, age 12 to 15. Evolution is the process where species of animals and plants change over many generations. These changes come from random differences, called mutations, in their genes, which are like tiny instruction books inside every living thing. Some of these differences can be helpful, like making an animal faster or a plant better at finding water. The ones that are helpful usually survive and have babies, passing on these good traits. Over a lot of generations, these changes add up, and you can get a whole new type of animal or plant. Level 4. College student, age 18 plus. Evolution is driven by genetic variation, natural selection, and inheritance. Genetic mutations introduce new traits. Natural selection favors traits that improve survival and reproduction chances in a specific environment. For example, peppered moths in industrial areas evolved dark colors to better hide from predators, enhancing their survival. Over generations, favorable traits become more common in the population. This process, combined with genetic drift and gene flow, leads to significant changes over time, resulting in the diversification of species. Level 5. Graduate level, expert. Evolutionary theory explains the diversity of life through mechanisms like mutation, natural selection, genetic drift, and gene flow. Mutations introduce genetic variation. Natural selection acts on this variation, favoring traits that increase fitness in a particular environmental context. Genetic drift causes random fluctuations in allele frequencies, particularly in small populations. Gene flow introduces new genes into a population. These mechanisms operate over large timescales, leading to speciation. Modern synthesis integrates genetics with Darwinian evolution, and the field extends into studying genetic architecture of traits, population genetics, speciation mechanisms, and phylogenetics.